This is lesson 4.4, polygons in the coordinate plane. In this video, you will learn how to draw polygons and find distances in the coordinate plane. You can use ordered pairs to represent vertices of polygons. To draw a polygon in a coordinate plane, plot and connect the ordered pairs. Example 1. The vertices of a quadrilateral are as follows. So when we plot points, we always start at the origin, which is right here at 0, 0. And the first number is the x-axis, and the second number is the y. So x across, y to the sky. X goes this way, y goes this way, every single time. So this first number, if we look at a 2, 4, which is this first coordinate, the 2 tells us that we always start at the origin, and the 2 tells us to go across 2, and the 4 says from there, go up 4. So I'm going to make a dot right there. I don't make lines trailing my way. I just make the one dot where I landed at the end. So I'm going to do the next one. B, 3, 9. That means I start at the origin, and I'm going to go across 3. Here I can use a pointer. There we go. I'm going to go across 3 and up 9 right there. Okay. For C, 7, 8. I'm going to go across 7 and up 8 right there. And for 8D is 8, 1. I'm going to go across 8 and up 1. And then draw the quadrilateral and coordinate plane. I'm just going to connect those 4 lines. It's a quadrilateral. That means it has 4 sides. A quad, think of the quad that you ride. I know a lot of you have done that before. Quad means 4. Not the straightest lines there, but that is the quadrilateral. Example 2. The vertices of a rectangle are the following. Draw the rectangle in a coordinate plane and find its perimeter this time. So we're going to draw it, and then we have a little job to do. So point F, I'm going to go starting at the origin just like before. I'm going to go over 1, up 6. And then I'm going to go for G over 7, up 6. Right there. And then I'm going to go for H over 7, up 2. And then for J over 1, up 2. Okay, so here is my quadrilateral. But it says to find the perimeter. So unlike area, where for area we found, like if we were laying carpet, how much carpet would we need? That's the whole inner part. Perimeter's like if you needed fencing. How much fence would you need to go around if this were a yard? So we're going to count all the spaces all the way around. So I'm going to start over here. Okay, we're just going to count around. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not counting the corners. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the perimeter is 20 units. Not squared this time, because we're not squaring these units, it's not area. Okay, for this example, we have to alter our coordinate plane a little bit, because if you look at the ordered pairs they gave us, they're a little bit larger. Instead of being between 0 and 10, they're between 0 and 100. So each one of these little blue lines has to be worth 10. So in a grid of the exhibits at a zoo, The vertices of the giraffe exhibit are as follows. The coordinates are measured in feet. What is the area of the giraffe exhibit? So each of these blue lines I'm going to make equal 10. So I'm going to start off by labeling this. Notice I'm not labeling between these blue lines. Each of these blue lines equals a number. Okay, so now I'm going to plot my points. Remember, start at the origin. E is 0, 90. So I'm going to go over 0, across 0, and up to 90. Right there. F is over, across 60, up 90. Okay, so across 60, up 90. That is right there. G is across 100, up 30. So I'm going to go across 100, up 30. Here we are. H is across 0, up 30. Right here. Okay, let's draw this shape. Let's fill in the lines. Okay, this looks like it is a trapezoid. So I need the formula for the trapezoid. A equals 1/2 H B1 plus B2. All right. Well, first I need to find my parallel lines. There's one, and there's one. So this one here looks like it's, remember these are in tens. Okay, these are not in ones, these are in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And up top I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The height, it's got to be perpendicular right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so I have to do what's in the parentheses first. 100 plus 60 is 160. And I still have all this other stuff out front to take care of. So in my calculator, I'm going to punch in 0.5 times 60 times 160. And I get 4,800. They told us this was in feet. So my units are feet squared. That's my answer.